Hello there, this is Dave Allen from Mac 20 Questions, and today I want to have a look at the application Reminders because it's new and exciting in the new Mountain Lion, which we've all been upgrading to over the last few days. Now it's quite a good application, and as you can see from this first reminder that I've got in this one here, is I want to compare it to Wunderlist, which is my favourite reminder application before we got this one. Now the reason I might want to actually start using reminders instead of using Wunderlist is the fact that I can do location-based reminders. Now the way that would work would be if I make myself a list called shopping, for example. I can make it a location-based reminder where I add some shops to my contacts where I've got the location information in there. And I can set a location-based reminder so that when I arrive at a particular shop, or when I leave the house, for instance, I can have the reminder pop up on my iPhone or on my iPad, whichever device I have with me. So that's quite handy. Now, making reminders is very easy. I can click on the plus button there and start making a reminder there. Start making a shopping list reminder to use on the iPad and iPhone. As you can see, I do rather like this Mountain Lion dictation. It works absolutely brilliantly, doesn't it? Much easier than typing it all in there. So that's how easy it is to add a new reminder to a list. Here are my completed reminders. So these are ones that I've done already, and go back and do that. If I click on this information button here, so I can actually get it to remind me on a day. So I can add a date. So I can get it to remind me on the 30th, and I can get it to give me a particular time as well. So maybe I want it to remind me at 8 o'clock. And at a location. So I can choose it to be the current location and when I am leaving this one. So when I go from this location on this date, it will tell me. Don't know what happens if I go before that date or after that date, but we'll see. We'll have to try it and see, won't we? I can do repeats. I can set priority on there and set it to a high priority. And I can also put a note in there. So find out what happens if I leave this location and it is before or after that time and date, and see what happens. Does the reminder still pop up? And it's quite nice the fact that on this one here I see this details, this note actually within the reminder list there as well, so that's quite good. I can make it go like that, where you just see all of that and not the sidebar. I can have it show the calendar or not show the calendar. And if I click on this one here, this is how you make a new list. Now if you're going to make a new list, well, there's not much point in having it just on the Mac there. You might as well have it going through iCloud as well. So let's have this going through iCloud, and it can be one called Spondicious. That's a good name for a list, isn't it? When I've actually done this reminder, it's completed. Just click on that there and it's done. It goes away. It's hidden after that. And I can go to here. I can see completed stuff. So there's the one I just completed and it's there. So, and if I say this one, well, I didn't really complete that. So let's just uncomplete that one there. It's one from Video Magical. So there you go. That's the put back into the list again. We better have a look a bit about setting it up. So in System Preferences, what you need to do as well is you go to Mail, Contacts and Calendars, and within this here you can set it up to add other accounts, and some of these things, if you've got reminders in there, will go into your Reminders app. Okay, let's click on plus, add other account. So I can add Mail account or a Messages account. I'll do that in another video and tell you all about it another time. So one of the things that you can do with reminders if you're using iCloud is that you can have a shared iCloud reminder list. And you can be given access to a read and write access, or just view and edit reminders, or you could have just a read-only access to a shared list. And you do that through iCloud.com to view the list. Reminders, a good little app in Mountain Lion, which I think integrates quite nicely with your reminders applications on the iOS devices that you're using, and it's well worth having. So let's just have a quick look at the Reminders app on the iPad, and we'll see the reminder that I made on the Mac appear via iCloud on the iOS device. How about that then? So here we are in the iOS app on my iPad, and you can see that the Spondicious list and the Spondicious reminder are actually there. They've already been brought across via iCloud. How about that then? Marvellous. This is Dave Allen from Mac 20 Questions. What I'd like you to do now is to click on the like button, helps these videos get noticed on YouTube. And also don't forget to click on subscribe. So every time I put a new video out about using applications on the iPad, iPhone and the Mac, you're going to be the first to know about it.